It doesn't look like much today, but in the not too distant future, you'll see great things coming out of this building. Teamwork, collaboration, a structure that enables employee input further refines our manufacturing processes. It is all about putting our team members in a position to thrive and succeed, and it will all be happening here.
We refer to it as an employee-centric model, and it, in many ways, is the backbone of our manufacturing expansion here at our Spaulding Avenue site in Ada and around the globe. We're integrating a best-in-class work system with best-in-class technology platform to truly empower our people to deliver excellent results. We're putting the future of our company in the hands of our employees. Eventually, you'll see a one-stop shop for manufacturing, quality assurance, and warehousing all here at the Spaulding site. The next leg in our vertically integrated supply process that is all managed by Amway.
Our more than 6,400 acres of organic farmland, in addition to our certified partner farms, supply some of the best core ingredients that vitamins have to offer. We take the crops grown on those farms and concentrate them for use in our supplements, which provide the plant nutrients or phytonutrients in our products that sets us apart from the competition. Many of those plant concentrates, which will be produced at an Amway-owned facility in Washington State, will then come to the Spaulding Avenue site to serve as the core of the products produced here. Then, they'll go on to benefit customers everywhere.
More than 3 billion tablets and 1.3 billion soft gel capsules will be produced here when this site is fully operational. And 200 employees will make it all happen. We're ready to get started.